If our website is available in multiple languages, should we also provide our accessibility statement in each of those languages? Absolutely. Just as you localize your content to better serve customers in different regions, your accessibility statement should also be made available in the languages your users speak. This is about more than compliance. It's about inclusion. Providing the accessibility statement in each supported language aligns with the principles of plain language and user-centered communication. It shows users that you value them and that your commitment to accessibility extends to every part of their experience. Equally important is the ability to respond to accessibility barrier reports or accommodation requests in those languages. That responsiveness further demonstrates that you're genuinely invested in serving a diverse customer base. In short, if your site is multilingual, your accessibility statement should be too. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.